Hello, cosmic travelers, and welcome to Night Cosmos. Tonight, we embark on a journey with the Hubble Space Telescope, a window to the universe's wonders. If you love unraveling cosmic mysteries, hit that subscribe button and join us under the stars. Imagine a telescope floating high above Earth, capturing light from the dawn of time. Hubble has shown us galaxies, nebulae, and stars in ways we never dreamed possible. Launched in 1990, it's a marvel of human ingenuity. Its story is one of triumph, struggle, and beauty. What makes Hubble so special? It sees beyond our atmosphere, where the air can't blur the view. From distant quasars to nearby planets, it's reshaped how we see the cosmos. Tonight, we'll explore its greatest discoveries, like the iconic pillars of creation and the Hubble Deep Field. We'll dive into the science and the awe it inspires. So, settle in, gaze at the stars, and let's begin our cosmic tale. Ready to soar? Let's discover what Hubble's hidden wonders reveal about our vast universe. The Hubble Space Telescope began as a bold dream. In the 1940s, astronomer Lyman Spitzer imagined a telescope in space, free from Earth's hazy atmosphere. Clouds and air distort starlight, but in orbit, the view would be crystal clear. His idea sparked decades of planning. By the 1970s, NASA and the European Space Agency teamed up. Building Hubble was no small feat. Its mirror had to be perfect, polished to a fraction of a human hair's width. Scientists dreamed of seeing stars born and galaxies collide. The telescope was named after Edwin Hubble, who proved the universe is expanding. His legacy inspired the mission. After years of work, Hubble was ready. In April 1990, the Space Shuttle Discovery carried it into orbit. The world held its breath as Hubble opened its eyes. Would it live up to the dream? The answer wasn't simple, but the journey was just beginning. Tonight, we'll uncover how this dream became a cosmic legend. Relax and let the stars guide you through Hubble's story. When Hubble launched, excitement filled the air. Scientists expected sharp images of distant stars. But weeks later, the first pictures arrived, and they were blurry. A flaw in the main mirror, a curve too flat by a fraction, ruined the focus. The world was stunned. Years of work seemed lost. Hubble became a punchline, mocked in headlines, yet NASA didn't give up. Engineers traced the error to a tiny mistake during the mirror's crafting. Fixing it in space seemed impossible, but the team had hope. They designed a clever solution: corrective lenses, like glasses for a telescope. A daring shuttle mission was planned. Meanwhile, Hubble still captured some useful data, hinting at its potential. The setback taught resilience. It showed how humans push past failure to reach the stars. As you drift tonight, picture Hubble floating silently, waiting for its moment to shine. The cosmos held secrets, and Hubble would soon reveal them. Let's explore how it turned failure into triumph. In 1993, hope returned. The Space Shuttle Endeavour launched to save Hubble. A team of astronauts trained for months to perform a cosmic repair. Their mission: install new instruments and corrective lenses called CoStar. Picture them floating in space, working on a telescope the size of a bus. The stakes were high. One mistake could doom the project. Over 5 spacewalks, they replaced parts and added the lenses. Each task was precise, like surgery in zero gravity. The world watched, holding its breath. When the astronauts finished, they released Hubble back into orbit. Weeks later, new images arrived, sharp and breathtaking. The repair worked. Stars sparkled, galaxies glowed. Hubble was reborn. That mission wasn't just about fixing a mirror, it was about human courage and ingenuity. As you listen, imagine the astronauts' view. Earth below, stars above. Hubble's revival opened a new chapter. Let's see what it showed us next. Relax and let the cosmos unfold. With its vision restored, Hubble began to dazzle. Its first clear images stunned scientists. One early triumph was a photo of galaxy M100 revealing swirling arms and bright stars in crisp detail. For the first time, we saw the universe's beauty up close. Hubble's strength was its clarity. No atmospheric blur, just pure starlight. It captured supernovae, exploding stars that outshine galaxies. These images weren't just pretty, they helped measure cosmic distances. Hubble showed us Jupiter's storms and Saturn's rings like never before. Each picture told a story of birth, death, and mystery. Scientists cheered, but so did dreamers. People saw the cosmos as art. Hubble became a bridge between science and wonder. As you settle in, picture those first images glowing on a screen, sparking awe. The telescope was ready to explore deeper, to places no eye had seen. Let's follow its gaze to one of its greatest discoveries. Drift along and let the stars guide you. In 1995, Hubble gave us an icon, the pillars of creation. These towering clouds of gas and dust in the Eagle Nebula look like cosmic fingers reaching into space. Hubble's image showed them glowing, pink, green, and gold, lit by newborn stars. The pillars are stellar nurseries, where gas collapses to form stars. Tiny knots in the clouds hinted at baby suns taking shape. The photo wasn't just science, it was poetry. It captured our imagination, appearing in art and films. Years later, Hubble revisited the pillars, showing how they changed. Winds from young stars were eroding them, a slow cosmic dance. The image reminded us how stars are born and die, like us, in a vast cycle. As you listen, picture those pillars stretching across light years, serene and grand. They're a glimpse of creation itself. Hubble's lens brought them to us, a gift from the cosmos. Let's explore more of its wonders. Relax and let the universe whisper its secrets. Hubble's boldest move came in 1995, the Hubble Deep Field. Scientists aimed its lens at a tiny, empty-looking patch of sky, the size of a pinhead held at arm's length. For 10 days, it collected faint light. The result? A jaw-dropping image of over 3,000 galaxies, some 12 billion years old. Each speck was a galaxy with billions of stars. It was like finding a cosmic city in a dark corner. The deep field showed the universe's vastness and history, light from when time began. It helped us grasp how far the cosmos stretches. Astronomers used it to study galaxy formation, seeing how they evolve. For dreamers, it was humbling. A reminder of our small place in an endless sea. As you drift tonight, imagine that tiny patch blooming with galaxies, each a story of light. Hubble gave us this gift, a peek at infinity. Let's see what else it found. Settle in and let the stars carry you onward. Hubble didn't just take pictures, it measured the cosmos. In the 1990s, it helped solve a big mystery. How fast is the universe expanding? Edwin Hubble, the telescope's namesake, showed galaxies are racing apart, but the rate was unclear. Hubble's sharp eyes tracked distant stars, called Cepheids, which pulsed like cosmic clocks. Their brightness revealed their distance. By watching them, astronomers pinned down the expansion rate. Then came a shock. Hubble's data suggested the expansion is speeding up, driven by a force we call dark energy. It's a mystery we're still unraveling. This discovery reshaped cosmology, hinting at a universe stranger than we thought. As you listen, picture galaxies drifting apart, carried by an invisible tide. Hubble's work gave us numbers, but also wonder. It showed us a cosmos alive, moving, changing. Let's explore more of its science. Relax and let the universe's rhythm soothe you. Hubble loves galaxies. Spiral, elliptical, irregular. It's caught them in stunning acts, like cosmic ballet. Some images show galaxies colliding, their stars and gas twisting into new shapes. These crashes, over billions of years, birth new stars. Hubble's photos of the antennae galaxies reveal glowing knots where stars ignite. Others show galaxies warped by gravity, bending light into arcs. These scenes teach us how galaxies grow, merging like drops of water. Our Milky Way will one day dance with Andromeda, and Hubble gives us a preview. Each image is a snapshot of time, light traveling millions of years to reach us. As you settle in, imagine galaxies spinning, colliding, glowing. They're not just pictures, they're stories of creation. Hubble's clarity lets us witness this drama. Let's dive into another cosmic art form it captured. Drift along and let the cosmos paint its wonders for you. Nebulae are Hubble's masterpieces. These clouds of gas and dust glow with ethereal beauty. The Crab Nebula, born from a supernova, pulses with energy. The Ring Nebula looks like a cosmic eye, serene and strange. Hubble's images show their colors, blues, reds, purples, lit by stars or shockwaves. Each nebula tells a tale. Some are graves of dead stars, others cradles for new ones. The Lagoon Nebula sparkles with young suns, its gas sculpted by stellar winds. These photos aren't just science, they're art that stirs the soul. Hubble's lens catches details our eyes could never see, turning chaos into wonder. People hang these images on walls, dreaming of distant worlds. As you listen, picture a nebula's glow, soft and endless. Hubble brought these visions to us, a gift of cosmic beauty. Let's explore how it saw our own backyard. Relax and let the stars weave their spell. Hubble turned its gaze to our solar system too. It captured Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a storm raging for centuries. Its images show clouds swirling, alive with color. On Saturn, Hubble saw auroras dancing at the poles, shimmering like Earth's northern lights. It caught Pluto's faint glow, a distant world before we visited it. Hubble even watched comets crash into Jupiter, leaving scars in its atmosphere. These glimpses remind us our planets are dynamic, not static. They spin, storm, and shine in a cosmic theater. Hubble's clarity brought them closer, making the familiar strange and beautiful. Scientists use these images to track weather and seasons beyond Earth. For us, they're a reminder of home in a vast universe. As you drift, picture Jupiter's clouds swirling, serene yet wild. Hubble's lens made them real. Let's see how it looked beyond our sun. Settle in and let the cosmos unfold. Hubble joined the hunt for worlds beyond our sun. Exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars, were a dream until the 1997. Hubble helped confirm them, studying stars' light for dips as planets passed by. It even analyzed their atmospheres, catching starlight filtered through alien skies. One planet, HD 29458b, revealed water vapor, a hint of distant oceans. These worlds, from scorching gas giants to rocky hopefuls, spark questions about life elsewhere. Hubble's data helped us imagine their clouds, winds, maybe even sunsets. It showed us we're not alone in the galaxy. Planets are common. Scientists now dream of Earth-like worlds, and Hubble paved the way. As you listen, picture a planet orbiting a far-off star, glowing faintly. Hubble brought it closer to us. Its work fuels our search for cosmic neighbors. Let's explore how it touched our hearts. Relax and let the stars guide your dreams. Hubble's images are more than science, they're culture. Its photos of galaxies and nebulae appear in movies, album covers, even tattoos. The pillars of creation inspired awe, a symbol of life's beginnings. Schools use Hubble's pictures to spark kids' dreams of space. Artists paint what it sees, blending math and magic. The telescope's story, failure, repair, triumph, resonates with us. It's human, flawed, yet soaring. Hubble's deep field humbled us, showing a universe too vast to grasp. It's not just a tool, it's a poet telling tales of light and time. People gaze at its images and feel connected to something bigger. As you settle in, imagine a nebula on a gallery wall, glowing softly. Hubble gave us these visions, linking heart and cosmos. Let's see the humans who kept it alive. Drift along and let the universe inspire you. Hubble owes its life to astronauts. 5 shuttle missions from 1993 to 2009 repaired and upgraded it. Picture them floating in bulky suits, swapping out cameras and solar panels. Each spacewalk was a dance. With danger, tools could drift away or Hubble could break. In 2009, astronauts added a new spectrograph, letting Hubble see deeper. They worked in silence, Earth glowing below. Their courage turned a shaky start into decades of discovery. One astronaut called Hubble a friend, alive in its own way. These missions weren't just technical, they were human triumphs. NASA's teams on Earth guided every move, a symphony of skill. As you listen, imagine an astronaut's view. Stars above, Hubble gleaming. Their hands kept its dreams alive. Let's explore why its place in space matters. Relax and let the cosmos carry you onward. Why put a telescope in space? Earth's atmosphere blurs and dims starlight, like fog on a window. In orbit, Hubble sees clearly, catching light from 13 billion years ago. No clouds block its view. No city lights steal the stars. It floats 340 miles up, circling Earth every 90 minutes. This perch lets it capture ultraviolet and infrared light, invisible from the ground. That's how it sees glowing nebulae or faint galaxies. Space also means silence, no wind or rain to shake it. Hubble's images are steady, sharp, its orbit is a balance, high enough to avoid air, low enough for shuttle visits. As you drift, picture Hubble gliding above, Earth a blue marble below. Its place in space unlocked the cosmos. Let's see how it reads the light it finds. Settle in and let the stars glow soothe you. Hubble doesn't just snap photos, it reads light's secrets. Its spectrographs split starlight into rainbows, revealing what stars are made of. Hydrogen, helium, even traces of gold show up as lines in the spectrum. This tells us about stars' heat, speed, and age. Hubble caught light from quasars, blazing cores of ancient galaxies. Their spectra showed the universe's youth, when it was a fiery soup. It also spotted chemicals in exoplanet skies, hinting at alien worlds. Each ray of light is a story, traveling billions of years. Hubble's tools turn those stories into data we can read. Scientists use this to map the cosmos, from nearby comets to the universe's edge. As you listen, imagine light splitting into colors, whispering truths. Hubble science is a quiet poetry. Let's explore what challenges it faced. Relax and let the cosmos unfold its tales. Space isn't kind to telescopes. Hubble faced solar flares that could fry its circuits. Tiny meteors left dents in its panels. Its gyroscopes, which keep it steady, wore out over time. Engineers built it tough, but age crept in. By the 2000s, its batteries faded and cameras failed. Each repair mission was a gamble. Astronauts risked their lives. Earth's radiation belt scrambled Hubble's data now and then, yet it kept working thanks to clever fixes from the ground. Teams sent new software to stretch its life. These challenges showed Hubble's grit, a machine fighting to see the stars. It's a reminder, even in space, nothing's easy. As you drift, picture Hubble spinning silently, dodging cosmic hazards. Its strength mirrors our own. Let's see how it compares to its successor. Settle in and let the stars guide you. In 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope launched, sparking talk of Hubble's end. Webb sees deeper, catching infrared light from the universe's first stars, but Hubble's still vital. Its ultraviolet and visible light images capture things Webb can't, like auroras on planets or young stars' glow. Hubble's orbit lets it see wide swaths of sky, while Webb focuses narrower. They're partners, not rivals. Hubble's data, collected over decades, gives baselines for Webb's work. Scientists blend their images for richer stories. Hubble's simpler design means less can go wrong. It's like a trusty car, still running smoothly. As you listen, picture both telescopes orbiting, each a window to different cosmic eras. Hubble's light still shines bright. Let's explore its lasting gifts. Relax and let the universe's beauty soothe you. Hubble's legacy is vast. It's taken over 1 million images, fueling thousands of studies. It pinned down the universe's age, about 13.8 billion years. It showed dark energy's push, reshaping cosmology. Its deep field images proved galaxies number in the billions. Beyond science, it inspired us. Kids sketched nebulae because of Hubble. Its photos hang in homes, sparking dreams. It taught us to look up, to wonder. Even its flaws, blurry start, hard fixes, showed human grit. Hubble's data will guide astronomers for decades, even after it retires. It's a beacon of what we can do when we reach for the stars. As you settle in, imagine its images glowing in minds worldwide. Hubble's gift is wonder. Let's ponder what it means for us. Drift along and let the cosmos inspire you. What lies ahead for Hubble? It's still working, but it's old. Its last repair was in 2009 and parts are aging. NASA hopes it'll last into the 2030s, but no new missions are planned. One day it may be nudged into Earth's atmosphere to burn up safely, or a future robot could boost it to a higher orbit, a museum in space. Its data, stored forever, will keep teaching us. Scientists dream of new telescopes, but Hubble's unique view, ultraviolet, wide fields, won't be replaced soon. Its story isn't over. For now, it keeps watching, sending home starlight. As you listen, picture Hubble floating, still curious after decades. Its end will be a new beginning, inspiring more dreams. Let's reflect on its deeper meaning, relax, and let the stars carry you onward. Hubble's greatest gift isn't data, it's perspective. Its images shrink us, showing a universe vast beyond imagining. A single photo holds galaxies older than Earth, yet it lifts us too. We built Hubble, sent it soaring, fixed its flaws. It's our eyes, our dreams reaching out. The deep field reminds us we're small, but our curiosity is boundless. Nebulae, like the pillars of creation, echo life's cycles. Birth, change, beauty. Hubble shows we're part of the cosmos, not apart from it. Its light connects us to stars, to time itself. As you drift, picture Earth from Hubble's view, a fragile dot, alive with wonder. It asks us to cherish our home, to keep exploring. One telescope changed how we see ourselves. Let's carry that awe to sleep. Settle in and let the universe hold you close. That's all for tonight, cosmic travelers. We've soared with Hubble from its shaky start to galaxies unimagined. Its images, pillars of creation, deep field are gifts of light, stories of a universe vast and alive. It showed us beauty, science, and our own strength. As you close your eyes, picture Hubble spinning above, still watching the stars. Let its wonders fill your dreams. Nebulae glowing, galaxies dancing. Thank you for joining Night Cosmos. If you love this journey, subscribe for more cosmic tales. We're here each night, under the same sky. For now, rest easy, sweet dreams, and may Hubble's wonders guide you to a peaceful sleep. Good night, stargazers, until we meet again among the stars.